Hello, President Herbert. Thank you for your time. My name is Alexis Mei-Lin Smith, and I'm an occupational health and safety analyst here to talk to you about how to increase the safety and health of the employees within the online program office in Portland. Ensuring the health and safety of workers is vital in creating a suitable workplace environment that can foster productivity. The following presentation consists of hazard identification as well as prevention and mitigation efforts. Hazards were identified through a site analysis, which is a comprehensive tool used to assess different types of exposures. Each of the following hazards pose a threat to employees' physical and mental health, which can also negatively impact the workplace environment. The identified hazards include excessive typing from continued keyboard use, prolonged sitting, sedentary nature, and neck contortion from holding the phone between one's shoulder and head. Additionally, compromised air quality and temperature, increased noise level, lighting and computer screen glare, and improper office equipment placement and ergonomics have also been identified as hazards. The first recommendation, which will subsequently be involved in all other prevention and mitigation efforts, is the creation of a safety committee. The Safety Committee will be responsible for maintaining and promoting the overall physical safety of the office environment. Each member of the committee will be responsible for one of three areas: administrative controls, personal protective equipment, and engineering controls. The designated Administrative Safety Committee member will be responsible for conducting proper ergonomics training for incoming and current employees, as well as helping each individual employee adapt their desk and office equipment to promote proper ergonomics. Another responsibility would be to post educational posters and occasional emails reminding employees of proper computing techniques and stretches. Additionally, the Administrative Safety Committee member would be responsible for implementing 5-minute, regularly scheduled body stretches every 2 hours, which would entail dynamic and static full body stretches. It would also be mandatory that employees take a 30-minute break every 4 hours and move their desk to the standing position to either stand or walk in place for at least 2 hours a day. The next recommendation would be to have the designated Personal Safety Equipment Committee member implement the use of headsets, desk partition extenders, personal lamps, and wrist cushions. Headsets equipped with microphones can easily be adapted to fit any office phone, which would replace the regularly handheld phone extension, preventing neck contortion completely. Additionally, desk partitions could help decrease noise level, create a greater sense of privacy, and potentially alleviate indirect glare. The use of dimmable personal lamps for each desk could further lessen the hazard of direct and indirect lighting and glare by allowing employees to customize the lighting level that they are most comfortable with. The next recommendation is to have the designated Engineering Safety Committee member replace overhead fluorescent lighting with bulbs that mimic daylight to decrease eye strain. Furthermore, the office environment, office equipment, air filters, and vents should be cleaned on a regular basis. And with the help of all employee members, the optimum temperature for the office should be determined to increase employee comfort. Lastly, it is highly recommended that management increase communication with employees regarding workplace practices and environments through anonymous annual surveys and quarterly meetings. Through the use of the National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health's Quality of Work-Life Questionnaire, information including, but not limited to, job satisfaction, physical and mental well-being, workload, office culture, supervisory behavior can be determined in a manner which employees can be honest about their workplace environment. Information about the questionnaire can be further utilized to adapt the workplace culture, environment, and demands to create a healthier and productive setting. Additionally, through quarterly meetings, employees' ideas, thoughts, and concerns regarding work life, work practices, and environment can be addressed to create a more cohesive and healthier environment. Thank you, President Herbert, for your time and for your dedication to increasing the health and safety of your employees. If you have any further questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me.